What is up, people? Welcome. These are chicken legs, potatoes, and a potato that is shaped like a heart because it is almost Valentine's. Let's get into it. So, cooking oil, garlic and ginger paste, soy sauce. This is dark soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, this is blended chili. So this has seeds. It's very hot. You need a little bit of it. This is also a Royco chili. Right in there. Rosemary goes straight in. This is barbecue seasoning. This is what I'm going to use majority of. I love this barbecue seasoning. Paprika, and a knob of butter. So now all we need to do is mix this up, making sure each and everything is coated. I almost forgot. The most important thing, salt. Now you can mix. Now we're going to leave this to marinate like 20 minutes. And before I forget completely, this is dried celery leaves, just to add some green and some flavor. Perfecto. 20 minutes, then we'll be back. Now 20 minutes are over. It's time to plate or to place your chicken right on top. Now you see this butter. I'm going to cut a little bit of pieces and shove it inside the skin. This is going to be very flavorful. Just like that. Now for the potatoes, since it's Valentine's is coming very soon, you have your heart-shaped potatoes. These were like this naturally. I have not cut them. It is not me. I was sold heart-shaped potatoes. Now these potatoes, they can now spread down here. No issue. And for the remainder of the juice or this liquid, just pour it on top. Wow. Just like that. That looks fantastic. And straight into the oven. Now it's time to wait for them to cook. I'm going to give this like an hour or 1 hour 30 minutes. When I come back, it's going to be marvelous. Let's have a look. It's been around 30-40 minutes. Wow, look at that. These are looking fantastic. Sorry, that's my fan going on. It's a convection oven. But these look fantastic. Potatoes, they're also cooking up very well. This black stuff is the marinade, which has now cooked all the way through. And these are crispy. I think they are cooked. You can see how crispy they are. I think they are cooked all the way. Yes, they are perfectly cooked. Apart from this black looking shagala bagala. They are fantastic. think the chicken is also cooked. Let me check with my thermometer. My meat thermometer is a little bit broken, but that's where it needs to reach. And it is passing that, so it's already very cooked. It's not very clear, but this is 190 Fahrenheit, which is 87 degrees, which is perfect. This is very cooked. Perfecto. I think it's time to remove them. And there you have it. Roast chicken with heart-shaped potatoes. The light to do. It's time for the light to do its work. There you have it. Roast chicken with heart-shaped potato. Now it's time to taste. You need a steak knife and a fork. Wow, that is good. That is fantastic. I think I should start making sauces now, especially mother sauces, the ones with you cook with wine. Wow, should start making wine sauces. This will go very well with this, either red wine sauce or white wine, but white is usually the one for chicken. Let me test this chicken without the skin. Wow, that marinade penetrated everywhere. This is fantastic. And here it's almost crispy skin. Wow. This is a 10 out of 10. I would definitely recommend. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.